Today is the day we're going to install our graphic card and power supply in my current system, and I am fully hyped up and excited about it. So I'm SLN Thakur, welcome to the show. Before we begin, I just like to request everyone to like our page and videos as well as subscribe to my channel and also share it as much as possible. That would be very helpful for me to make further videos. So without further ado, let's begin.
Hello, my name is Zain. I work for IT company in Urdu, Islamabad. We do different kind of assembling and disassembling of IT products. It's an old model ATX case which supports the latest hardware available in the market. It has one DVD ROM, obsolete floppy drive, and an I/O board which has two USB ports, one stereo jack for headphones and one microphone jack. This case supports the latest hardware.
Zain is going to talk about what's in the box right now, and he was a bit modest about his experience. He's already accomplished about 9 years of experience in the computer and high-tech industries in Pakistan. So he is going to tell us what exactly is in the box. So Zain, it's all up to you.
Thank you. As you see inside the box, it has 500 watt N-Tech 80 white power supply, processor 2600 i7, 12 gigs of RAM, one is 4 gig and other is 8 gig, graphic card GT 630 NVIDIA. It also has a wireless card from TP-Link, 1 terabyte of hard drive from Western Digital. Okay guys, now we are going to upgrade our graphic card from GT 630 NVIDIA to mainly Gallardo GeForce GTX 1070 from NVIDIA. We are ready. As you see, the graphic card has been installed, but this graphic card is a bit long for this casing, but I have made some adjustments to the cables, so now it's properly installed inside the ATX casing. After replacing the graphic card, we also need to replace the power supply, because this power supply, which is already installed in the system, is only 500 watt, but the graphic card requires more power. So now we are going to replace power supply with 750 watt.
So we are at the end of our session about reviewing all the parts that was installed in the current PC, and we are going to definitely modify it according to my team, and we are definitely going to upgrade more equipment. Right now, I just like to thank Mr. Zain for all the efforts that he put in for identifying the past for us and what is currently specified in the current system. Thank you, Mr. Zan, for your services. Really appreciate it.
No need to thank me, Hassan. I will send you the bill in a moment.
Okay. I'm looking forward to that bill. Thank you so much.
Thank you.